Your desktop folder, your photos, all of it going up in the background without you doing anything about it. Now, your first thought is probably to just uninstall OneDrive and call it a day. Don't. The next Windows update puts it right back with the same settings, same problem. Uninstalling doesn't fix this, it just resets the clock. There's a proper way to shut OneDrive down so it stops syncing, stops launching, and never reconnects to your files again. Before we touch a single setting, there's one thing you absolutely have to check first, or you can lose access to your own files. Here's the trap most tutorials skip. OneDrive has a feature called Files on Demand. What it does is keep some of your files online only, meaning the file shows up in File Explorer but isn't actually on your PC. The moment you disconnect OneDrive, those files are gone from your machine. So before anything else, we make sure every file is downloaded locally. Click the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. If you don't see it, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Then click the gear icon and open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Sync and Backup. Scroll down and click Advanced Settings. Find the Files on Demand section and click Download All Files. You'll see blue arrows pop up on your files. Just wait for them to stop. Once they're done, every file is physically on your PC. Now we cut off the sync. Still inside OneDrive settings, on the Sync and Backup page, click Manage Backup at the top. This window shows you exactly what OneDrive is sending out to the cloud right now. 3 folders: your desktop, your documents, and your pictures. These are the ones being copied without you realizing it. Click Stop Backup under the desktop folder. A box will pop up asking what to do with your existing files. Pick the option that keeps them only on your PC, then confirm. Do the same thing for documents, then for pictures. Once all 3 say not backed up, you've stopped OneDrive from pushing anything new to Microsoft servers. But the connection is still there. OneDrive is still logged into your account in the background and can pick right back up where it left off, which is what we cut next. Still inside OneDrive settings, click Account in the left sidebar. At the top of the page, you'll see Unlink this PC. Click it. Windows pops up a warning about online-only files. Normally, this will be the part where people get scared and back out. But because we already downloaded everything in the safety check earlier, this warning doesn't apply to you. Go ahead and click Unlink Account. Once you confirm, the OneDrive sign-in window opens up. Just close that. Your PC is now disconnected from your Microsoft OneDrive account. Nothing is uploading, nothing is pulling down. The link is broken. Now, even though OneDrive is disconnected, Windows still has it set to launch every time you boot up, and there are scheduled tasks running underneath that can wake it back up on their own. We're killing both of those next. Right-click anywhere on your taskbar and open Task Manager. On Windows 11, click the small menu icon on the left side and pick Upstart Apps. On Windows 10, just click a Startup tab at the top. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the list, right-click it. Click Disable. Done. OneDrive will no longer launch automatically when your PC turns on. But there's another layer underneath that most tutorials never touch. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, open it. Up in the search box at the top right, type Schedule. Then click Schedule Tasks. This opens up Windows Task Scheduler, and this is where Microsoft hides the background jobs that can quietly bring OneDrive back to life. In the left panel, expand Task Scheduler Library and look for a folder labeled OneDrive. Click it. Inside, you'll find a few tasks named things like OneDrive Reporting Task and OneDrive Standalone Update Task. These run in the background to update and reactivate OneDrive, even after everything we just did. Right-click each one and click Disable. Close Task Scheduler. If the OneDrive Cloud icon is still in your taskbar, right-click it one last time and pick Quit OneDrive. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, take a look at your taskbar. No cloud icon, no sync spinner, Nothing pulling on your system in the background. Open File Explorer and check your folders. Your desktop, documents, pictures, all of it, still there exactly where you left it. Just stored on your PC now, instead of bouncing up to Microsoft servers. OneDrive is technically still installed, which is exactly why Windows won't keep forcing it back on the next update. But it's done. It doesn't sync, it doesn't launch, it doesn't report back. Your files are yours again. If this video helped you out, hit like and drop a comment letting me know how much OneDrive was syncing before you turned it off. And if you want to free up your RAM next, Microsoft Edge is doing the exact same kind of thing in the background. That video is right here. See you in the next one.